Question 7. A to the power 4 minus 27 a square plus 1. We are going to factorize. First, this a to the power 4 we can easily write a square to the power 2, and here is minus 27 a square, here is plus 1, so we can make a chance like minus 2 times a square. It means a square plus 2ab. Which one is b? 1 we can use as a b. It means plus 1 square, also 1. Now look, here is a minus 27a square and here is a minus 2a square. So we can write minus 2, 5, it means 25a square, right? It's a same thing. Minus 25a square minus 2a square, it means minus 27a square. Next, from this one we can write, it means a square minus 2ab plus b square, it means a minus b whole square, a square minus 1 whole square, and here is a minus this 25a square, we can write 5a square. Now it's looking a square minus b square, so we can write a square minus 1 plus 5a, and then a square minus 1 minus 5a. Very simple. So done. Number 7. Okay. Question 8. (16) x square minus 25y square minus 8xz plus 10yz. So from here we can write, this is 16x square and minus 25y square. We can make like 4x square minus 5y square. It means it's looking a square minus b square. And from here is a z and z, and from 8 and 10 we can take common 2. So we can ultimately take common minus 2z. So here will be 4x minus 5y. And in here, this one is looking a square minus b square. So we can write 4x plus 5y and then 4x minus 5y, right? And here is extra 2z 4x minus 5y. Now from here we can take common this one, 4x minus 5y, 4x minus 5y. So we can write 4x minus 5y, and here will be 4x plus 5y minus 2z. So this is our answer. Question 9. We can write x square plus 13x plus 36. So if we factorize this 36, we can get 1 times 36 equals to 36, 2 times 18 also 36, 3 times 12 also 36, 9, then 4 times 9 is a 36. Now look, 4 plus 9 equals to 13. So in here we can write x square plus 9x plus 4x plus 36. Now we can take common x, so it will be x plus 9, and here once we take common 4, it will be again x plus 9, and finally we get x plus 9. Once we take common, it will be x plus 4. Very simple. So question 9 done.